Everyone knows that what is DBMS. Can anyone tell full form of the DBMS? For example, we will take what is data. Data means if you take any cylinder, it consists of some. Just assume that it consists of some water. Now it is DBMS. Here database means data, which is collection of data. It means it is the data. The cylinder consists of some data. It is the DBMS. It is the system. Which system means which manages the data. Here for example, we will take data. Here database means is collection of data. Here that collection of data is managed by the system. Here the system is manages or manipulate the database. And next, these are the end users are the programmers, and we have application program. Application programmers are nothing but who will write that code, and they are called programmers. And next, that programmers will give the data to the database. It means they will access the data and retrieve the data. Here, by how we will ask the data means by the programs we are writing C, Java. By that we will ask the data to the database. Here the database management system software contains some softwares like Oracle and MySQL. They will here the Oracle and MySQL acts as the medium of our data and that data which is present in the database. It means we will take example. If we write anything program in C++ or C, when we write this program in this, we will ask the database. Here is the database. We will ask that data to access. Then the database, then the softwares like MySQL, they will send the request to the database. Then the end users or the programmers will give the output to the our users. And next, small introduction to Python program. Everyone knows that languages. That there are so many languages. There are several languages. We will take any language example Python program. For creating every language, there is a reason. For a requirement, every language was created. For example, C was created to develop the softwares, system softwares. And when the C was developed, it has some errors. Then C++ was invented to clear that errors. Next, if we take Python language, it is very simple. Why it is simple means it has syntax is very small and code is written in few lines. For example, we will take example. For writing this in C means we have so many syntax. Syntax is nothing but rules. There are so many instructions to write this code. But whereas coming to the Python language, there is no that much rules. That's why it is very simple and highly language. Everyone knows that operators and expressions. Expressions are nothing but combination of variables and operators. If you take a is equal to 10, here a is the variable. Variable is nothing but given to the memory location. It means here it is the 10 which is assigning to the a, but a consists of 10. That a is the name given to the memory location where the 10 is stored. We have int. Int means 4 bytes. 4 bytes means 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. This one data is 2 digits, so it consists 2 bits. Remaining bits are left ahead. But here, thank you.
చెప్పు సరిగ్గా చెప్పు సరిగ్గా చెప్పు. Hello all, myself Sudeep. I'm here to teach Java. My topic is method overriding. Let us start from the beginning. Most of you knows what is called methods. So I am telling once again, methods are the functions which are written in the classes. Most of you know what are the functions. Functions are the works. So we are write some lines of code in the functions. For example, I am writing a class brain. I am creating a class brain. So I want to tell what does hand do. So I am writing a method hand. So I am writing the code in which what that hand does. Okay, understand? So I am writing an example, and most of you know what is meant by overriding. So I am writing the example code. I am creating a class name A. So I am writing two methods of same name. If I call it by different parameters, it will execute. I am writing that. For example, I am writing a method name my method. I am not taking any parameters. So I am writing just a small printf statement. So I am writing in a shortcut. So ut. I am just printing a number 10. I am closing it. Okay. So I am again writing another method of same name. It is the return type here void. I am not returning any integer value or else. So I am writing here void. So here my method of same name. I am taking parameters. For example, integers. Int of a comma int of b. So I'm just printing it's sum. So a plus b. Okay. So it is not a static class. So I have to create an object regarding this. So I am writing a main class. So it is a simple code. So you guys remember, I'm going to rub this. So I'm creating a main class. Class name is main. So I'm writing a main method. Public static void main. I'm writing in shortcuts. So I'm creating a object regarding this. What is the class name I have written earlier? Main kadu. Earlier. What is the class name? Method kadu class. A. So I'm creating an object. Class name and object name. Object name I'm taking A1 equal to I'm using a keyword new to create an object. So new A. So I have created A1. So I'm going to call the two methods that I have written. So I'm gonna call A1 dot my method without parameters, the first method that I have given. Okay. So again, I'm calling the second method which I gave parameters to integers. So I'm again calling my method these both are same names but different parameters. So 1 comma 2. So you people guess the output. What is the first one is here. When the code come here, I am just giving an integer like 10. The output is 10. Here here I just written, just print the addition of these both parameters. So the output is 3. So here when I call this, it overrides this. When I call this, it overrides this method. So it is a simple topic. Any doubts? Any doubts? So thanking you.